I honestly do not know. I'm going to step on how many toes, but this is me. This is what I think. I under the account of these two young girls that are crying that there is a woman who entered within the marriage of the parents, lo muntu watata ubaba wabo, and a father who's employed supporting the family. Mother is currently unemployed. Guys, I'm confused. I see the comments, everybody's like, we are touched by this. People are sending cash sends and what and what and what. First and foremost, the way that but the one who was speaking in the video, she said something that also caught my attention. She says that lo mfazi ustoka umama wethu. Bana ba kena skolo. How do they know that this woman is stalking their mother? Unless the mother is feeding the children this information. Secondly, if they're in a public school, public schools do provide feeding schemes, and teachers can see a change in behavior of a child if umtana was dressing well, even if there's a change. And the way they are so triggered in that video with how they're crying, it means maybe this thing affects them. And I'm not going to take anything for granted on how they are crying. Get me correct. But the teacher would have noticed change in behavior in the child. Call the parents. From calling the parents, the mom will probably avail herself since all the father is not available. But they will take this matter forward. Because I'm assuming, again, I stand to be corrected, they're not even in high school. Or if one is in high school, they can even, he must support the kids. Do you understand? So to me, honestly speaking, I don't know. I'm not saying I come from the best of families. There were times when my parents will have altercations, and sometimes they had fights that I would not even know of. This child knows too much. She's exposed to too much. I'm actually very frustrated. I don't know how old she is. She keeps on saying a woman that entered into our family and she destroyed everything. I'm not standing with the woman, and I'm not saying that she's correct. But these are words. For those children to come into TikTok and or social media to post that video, their mother is very much aware. Why did she not take a video herself? Kids are being bullied at school. Now we are dealing with a parent who's not supporting his kids. Now children, stupid, banababang, they're going to bully these poor kids at school. No, my teacher we have teachers lately, young teachers. No, man. Parents need to be very cautious. But me, I am saying it's the mother speaking through the kids. I'm sorry. Somebody can ask the question, why am I so invested into this whole entire situation? But I'm going to tell you guys this. One of the family members from the father's side reached out to me, and she asked to be anonymous by providing information that states that the father is taking care of the children. On the 28th of every month and the 29th, if maybe as I got the 28th or I got the 29th, the father buys the grocery himself, and when he gets there, he leaves 1,000 rand amount of money for electricity. After that, he also leaves money for gas. And I'm going to attach videos of the mother's status of how she eats when the kids are hungry, but yet she is posting. I also have a recording of the mother where the mother states she's not going to delete that video. She keeps on emphasizing in the video this is only the beginning of the war. More is still yet to come. the father, who's the uncle of the person whom I was talking to, states that Umalume will lose everything. He will lose everything. So it sounds like I don't know, she's very spiteful of this, but I'm doing this to make people aware, but like, guys, you understand? Stop doing that. She also stated that the mother and the father, they have been fighting for a very long time. Then the court instructed the father, since you are fighting with the mother, please leave the house. You understand? So this is why the father is currently not staying at home, not because of another wife or another lady excuse me for that, or another lady entered into the marriage itself was not okay from the beginning. And I'm speaking about somebody that she's given me facts and files. I just can't post because it has also said that as a family they will not say anything, but she said like, why? And she also showed me her text to the mother after she saw the children, and she asked the mother, why are you doing this? This is when I also heard the response of the mother. So guys, girl, so simple mo khati the mother ulanela chelete. So ke bona the father o reka grocery yohle, o isa grocery ha mo fe madi mathata ke le chanko. So let me love and leave it here, you know, and you understand when you're in a situation. No, nakiba le ba delete the video. They deleted the video where they were dancing, where life was good. Basileng ka re ba Venus fela. That's my opinion. Lona kana go lintse di cash send. Not every party needs a party. You guys need to learn that. Ba delete. As a parent, tshwantse ba tlile mo a ritse. Wait a second, say awe gore bana ba ka ba dira video ena. And the other thing is, I saw it in the comment sections. Ngwana Ole was told what to say because ngwana ha itse papa jola le Osmapule. Go bua go ngwana. Go papa jola le Osmapule. Ole ha dire le mistake ya gore a bitse le bitso la the other woman. Ke ngwana Ole ilweng gore ha o ka ya gore tsenya ko mathateng. Guys, bye.
Sanibona guys, ngiyaxolisa guys ukuthi kube ngathi ngizo-expose indaba zasendlini, but kunento engangiphathi kahle as umntwana. So guys, thina besihlala nomama nobaba, siyi-happy family. Masiyi-happy family kafika omunye umuntu owesifazane azodestroy family yethu. Thina besingasweli lutho guys, besabantwana aba-right, abanezinto. Right now it's not the same. Sesiyasafara guys, and asina even uniform. Masesikolweni sihamba asihambi ngezinto ezi-right. Mina ngihamba ngecathulo ezingekho right zesikolo. I don't have uniform yami is all torn up, and like even ama-school bag besinganawo. Ama-school bag at the beginning of the year bekumele ngicele ebangani bami ukuthi sicela basinika ama-school bag. Bekumele sicela ukuthi basiphe leti impahla zokuthi leti sihambe sisigqokile esikoleni, uniform, cause asina uniform right. Besihamba nge-transport manje asahambe ngayo anymore. Sesiyawoka and it's very cold. And manje ubaba akasasupporti kahle because iyaphela ne-5 days singadlanga thina, siphuze amanzi nje kuphela. And umama uhleza stressekile ukuthi sovuka sidle ini siphathe ini esikoleni ngoba asisakheri akasebenzi. And umama akasebenzi, and lo muntu owenze le nto le ubhizi uyastoka, uyabheka ukuthi siphila kanjani. Uyabheka ukuthi siphila kanjani. Ustoka umamami, ustoka nathi lana, and ngiyazi ukuthi le video uzoyibheka. Uyastoka ubheka umamami, ubheka thina, and angazi ukuthi yena ufila kanjani, ufila uhappy la khona yena. uhappy la khona akazi ukuthi thina we are broken, thina asisaphathekanga kahle guys, and isabantwana, and mina I'm a firstborn. You don't know how much it takes, you don't know how painful it is to wake up every day umntwana ustresseke na ukuthi ayibanda ngizodlana esikoleni, kumele uhambe ubheke abangani, ngicela abangani ukuthi guys ngicela ninguphi ukudla, knowing ukuthi noma ufike endlini akunakuthi uzophuma estrandeni uyocela ukudla, because umuntu nomuntu ubheka indaba zakhe, umuntu nomuntu unabantwana bakhe unempilo yakhe, and lo muntu lo yenze lento le. I wonder uhappy na yena ukuthi kumele asibone sisafara kanje thina singahlali nobaba sihlala nomama ongasebenzi, onganokuthi uzosisapota, uzosisiza, uzosinakekela, nobaba naye ongasasinaki ngoba asina-inform and kuyabanda manje guys, it's very cold, inform idabukile, icathulo sidabukile, asina-icathulo, asinama-school bag, asina-inform, ngenxa yomuntu oyi-one wesifazane obefuna yena ukuziphilisa yena ukuthi afile okay yena ukuthi azobreaka umndeni o-right o-happy, ngenxa yokuthi bekafuna ukuzwisa thina ubuhlungu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi baseMzansi. Kunesilowendi video lapha ku TikTok, oma video rather athi labantwana bacamba amanga, labantwana laba be viral ku video exposing their father ne side chick yakhe ukuthi bababo uhambeni side chick akasabondli bona, abanade impahla zokugqoka esikolweni, abanakudla, and this lady saying ukuthi labantwana bathunyelwa ngumakwabo, ayikho yonke lento leyo, elwabe abasupport abantwana, and loma-ke usebenzisa labantwana ngokuthi adrike ligama lalo baba phansi, yabonakala ngazuthi lo baba umuntu longekho right. Guys, right now abantu baku-social media badidekile ukuthi hayibo guys esithembeni kahle kahle, but some people are saying ukuthi bayabathemba kulabantwana cause this is such a sad story. Ngeke ungabathembi abantwana guys mabakhuluma into lefana nalena. So do comment wena down in the comment section ukuthi what do you think ngalolu khulunywa kule ntombazane. Mina nawe siyobonana next time. I'm signing out. Goodbye.